I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Hello Neighbor Alpha 1 on mobile. Start by checking device compatibility and backing up important data, then enable unknown sources in settings. Find a reputable Alpha 1 APK, scan it with antivirus, and download it. Open the APK to install, grant required permissions, and reboot the app. If installation fails, clear package installer data and retry, and keep your device charged during the process. Prepare your phone by freeing space and confirming Android version compatibility with Alpha 1. Back up any current Hello Neighbor saves or related files to cloud or local storage. Turn off battery saver and close background apps to avoid interruptions during install. If you use an SD card, ensure it is writable and has enough room. Having a recent full device backup reduces risk and gives you an easy restore point if something goes wrong. If you are finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more mobile gaming tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book that changed my thinking about money is The Simple Path to Wealth. It explains investing simply and reduces financial anxiety in clear steps. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. And now let's get back to the video. After download, locate the Alpha 1 APK in your file manager and inspect the file name and size for consistency. Tap the APK to start the installer, follow prompts carefully, and only grant permissions that the game needs to run. If installation is blocked, disable unknown sources temporarily and retry, then re-enable protections afterward. Launch the game, accept in-game prompts and test controls. For persistent crashes, reinstall or try a different compatible APK build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.